Today we're making banana bread. And the ingredients that we'll be needing for this recipe are the following. 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 4 to 5 medium-sized bananas, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of flour mixed with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, vanilla flavoring 1.5 teaspoons, and optional would be chocolate chips. So it depends on you how much you want to put in. Let's start by adding in the 3/4 cup of brown sugar to the 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. And then we cream that together. Okay, after creaming for about 5 minutes, we're left with this consistency. So this is good. Next step is you crack your 2 eggs. Mix it in. Okay, once you've mixed in everything evenly, you won't see any more streaks of the egg yolk or the egg whites. Then you're good. Then set that aside. Next step is to get a plate and peel your bananas. It's best to use overripe bananas for this recipe, and the reason for that is it makes the banana bread a lot more moist once it's cooked, and you really get a lot of that banana flavor at the end. So the next step is get yourself a fork and mash the bananas. You don't have to completely puree your bananas. Me personally, I like to leave some chunks like that. So when you bite into the banana bread later on, you get to taste banana. Okay? So that's good. Next step is to get your wet ingredients from early on and then add in your vanilla flavor. So you need to add in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. And add in your mashed banana. Then mix. Once that's evenly mixed, get your dry ingredients, add everything in. And stir slowly. Okay, once this is evenly mixed, you can add in your chocolate chips. Then distribute it evenly. Okay, that's done. Then you get yourself a loaf pan like this. This is an 8.5 by 4.5 by 2.5 inch loaf pan. So what you need to do is you can get some butter or get some olive oil, add it in, and by using a brush, or if you don't have a brush you can use your fingers, just spread it around the pan to make sure that the banana bread doesn't stick as it bakes. So spread it all over. And once you're done spreading, you can put in your mixture. Then shake it. Make sure that before you put it in the oven that it's flat like that. Now we're ready to bake. So I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this will bake for 55 minutes. Okay. Okay, so this just came out of the oven after 55 minutes. So it's perfectly cooked. Let's let it rest for another hour before we slice. Okay, after an hour of resting, we're ready to slice. So let's just shake this a bit to loosen it. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the outer part is quite toasted, and when we slice through it, you can see that it's soft inside. See that? Okay. And we just made banana bread. And we're done for the day.